This conference will now be recorded.
Hi, good morning, and welcome to Powershell scripting language, sir. First of all, myself, Nagarjuna, Vadlakonda. I have total 10 years of IT experience, especially on the cloud environment. From last 5 years, I'm working on the cloud environment, like GCP and Azure and AWS is there. So it is a batch number 34 and 35, automation with PowerShell. So before going to jump inside of the course content and what is the process of a course, I mean how we will proceed for the learning purpose and other details, we will divide this session as a mainly three parts. First of all, I will introduce about the about the course first of all. Then after I will give some demos just for what is the depth of our course. You can easily understand what is the depth of the course. Then after how to register this one, registration process I will explain. Sir, very yes, and just to give me some time, sir. I mean, I need to explain what are the things are here available, who are eligible to learn here. Then after I will take your queries. Definitely, I will give that responses for your queries, and your queries answers also available in the part of my in this explanation only. Just to give me sufficient time to explain what are the things are available in our course. Right. Sir, it is a completely 2 months duration course, sir. 2 months duration course. 2 months duration course. And it is completely, I'm going to start from like a scratch. I mean, how we will learn a new language, for example, English language, like from completely like alphabet A, B, C, D, how we will learn the English. Like that, I'm going to start from the completely from the zero. From the zero, I'm going to start. 0 to it is completely again we will reach to finally we will write at least 300 lines of code without any programming knowledge. See, I am not good at programming. Again, I'm saying this word. It is not a programming. It's a scripting, logical thinking only, sir. That I will here. I will put from my end. Scratch to advanced from the zero, and moreover, please remember it is an online interactive training. Sir, I will explain this word. Maybe you are very good at about this one. So, sir, here you need to speak something and you need to practice same thing on your machine. That is important thing. You need to practice something on your machine. Same time, you and me, both will execute the commands on your machine and my machine. Yes, sing. I think that is an issue from your end only. Please sing. I think, sir, am I audible to you?
Yes.
Yes, you are. If you speak a little louder, that will be.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. I will do that. Okay, thank you, sir. Definitely, I will do that. Sir, it is online training and complete you need to interact from the in the session only. So again, I'm saying that one don't give the priority to the recordings. Why? Because after every live session, I will provide the daily recording recorded sessions and scripts notes. But try to give the priority for the live sessions. And here we have a two batches are there. One is a morning 8 a.m. IST and another one is a 7:30 p.m. IST. So please listen carefully about this point. So you can attend any one of them batches. I mean, for day. For example, if you take today, for example, I'm explaining for today. I'm explaining morning, like what is that? One topic, execution policy. I'm explaining in the morning batch. Same topic will run in the evening batch also. Same topic will run in the evening batch also. Either you can attend on morning or evening, any one of them. So same link will be available, sir, in morning and evening. For example, first 15 days of a month, you may have morning shift. That time you can attend for the evening batch. and vice versa. Yes, if it is your shift timing is evening, yes, you have to attend for the morning batch. You need to attend for that morning batch. That is simple. So the thing is here, the plan is you need to attend for the live session, and there is no extra fees. I need to explore myself, sir. It is not a first batch 34, 35. Mostly came from the references only. I mean, so someone satisfied by my previous training, that I mean the person is referred for here. So definitely you can attend any one of them. But registration time, sir. Registration time. Please, you need to do one thing, sir. Sir, don't do any registration at this point. I will give to some time. Then you can do that one. So just to define, sir. For example, you are completely dedicated to morning batch. Just define morning. Complete dedicated to evening batch. Yes, evening. Sir, otherwise you can give the both. Sir, both means you can use anytime. No need to inform again. Sir, I'm going to attend first 15 days morning, next 15 days evening. Sir, same link. And I will give the access also like here, sir. Just wait. See, I mean, even recording purpose also, the same link will be available. And see, this is one of the batch. It is still running batch, sir. It's a May-June batch. I mean, before it is not completed. See, morning 8 and another one is 7:30. 7 I typed there. See, 8. You will get the access of the both the things. I mean, for the practices purpose. So these are the sessions. I mean, still 46 only. Still they need 4 to 5 session, and one big session is there. 6-hour session is there. So these are their sessions. I mean, you can attend any one of them, but regular participation, and weekly I will provide some assignments to you. So the weekly assignments are like Caesar. So like that, based on the topic, I will share to you daily assignments also. For example, day 1, week 1, week 2, like that. Based on that week topics, you will get some assignments. You will get some assignment related to that weekend only. So based on the topic only, sir, the questions, it is not same to again next batch. That is completely different. And moreover, lot of content has been changed from the last batch. I mean, May batch, May, June, I mean running batch and your batch, lot of content has been changed. SQL Server is added, Jenkins is added. Lot of content is changed, and which is useful to, I mean, present cloud environment or Windows environment. Lot of content has been changed. Lot of content has been changed. And now this is about the course content, sir. I mean, you don't think about the recordings, sir. Recordings anyhow you will get, no problem, but give the priority for the live session. I will give the one assurance to you. If you participate for the live session, I mean regular participation, first one, and if you solve the weekend assignments, sir, even though if you are not getting the subject, sir, I will return your amount with the 2 times. That is my open challenge. But these 2 things are important, sir. These 2 things are important. Whatever you are paying, I will give returns to 2,000. I mean into 2, 4,000, total 4,000 I will return to you. If you are, I mean, regular participation and weekend assignment. Okay, 1 or 2 times it's not a problem, but try to attend, even if it is missing in the morning session, try to attend for the evening. So this is about the course view, sir. And course, I mean, process how we have, and I will explain how to registration. Don't ask that thing, sir. Now, sir, here what is the thing we are going to discuss? Why is this PowerShell now it is very famous? Yes, we have a lot of other things also there. So I think everything is fine from my end. Please log out and log in. Please verify your audio connections, please, sir. Okay, now, sir, actually this was introduced by, yes, Jeffrey Strover in 2006. Now we are at 2022. Why this is now famous, sir? We are working last from 10 years. We are working in IT. Now it is why it is too much famous. Sir, between here 2016, end of the 2016, Microsoft was announced PowerShell as an open source. Listen carefully these words, sir. So previously, 2006 to 16, if you want to use PowerShell for the automation from the command line interface, you should have to use Windows servers or client machines. But when they announced it as open source, it supports for the cross platform. So you can use not only for Windows, sir, it supports Linux, Ubuntu, Mac. Even we have a different versions also there. Version 1, 2, no, version 2, 3, 4, 5, and in 5 there is a minor version. 5.1 is there. Is a one of the stable version in the Windows environment. Stable version in Windows environment. Now trending one is a 7x. Sir, here we should learn both the things, 5.1 and 7.x, both the things we are going to see. But 99% we should good at 5.1, sir. Sorry, I'm just going to open the console, but I will explain how to open these things and how to do the automations. Yes, now see, if there is if you use something like, see here, version number you will get. Sir, you don't worry about these things. I am explaining what is the depth of the course. I will explain from like from the each and every component. I will explain. Just we will call these are the commands. Again, commands are classified aliases, functions, workflows. Yes, you don't worry about it. Just I will take two alphabets in the PowerShell, sir. I will take two alphabets in the PowerShell. Yes, in English we have a two alphabets is there. No, first, like just I'm comparing with the English. So here I will take two commands. That is a get command, and another one is a get -help. These two are commands. Just like these two are like you can consider commands. You can compare like in a English language the A R A B C. Here also these are A and B. That's these two are enough to start the classes. No programming knowledge is required. If you are a fresher, sir, really you can enjoy that course. I mean, you're working guy already. I no need to tell about this automation point. Yes, it is, sir. Is it only for Windows? It is only for Linux. It is only for Azure DevOps? Not, sir. Out of 50 days, sir, believe me, 50 days. Yes, completely 40 to 42 days. These are the core components for any technology. Core concepts. How you are good at your technology in the GUI mode. I'm sorry, but you don't know how to automate the task from the command line. So for that, sir, these 40 to 42 days are most important for your technology. I mean, any technologies. Your technology is SQL Server. You are from the Citrix. You are from the Azure DevOps, AWS. Yes, and VMware or whatever that ones are. These are the most important. And these not are like a YouTube examples print 1 2 3, right, sir? So I will start from the scratch, sir. I will create different type of thinking environment in your mind, but we will reach to really high level. Yes, and just instead of my words, I think yes, sir, scripting is a final thing here. In this course we are going to divide as a two parts. One is a PowerShell console is there. And the next one is a scripting part is there. Finally, today we are 0. Finally, we should write at least 300 lines of code, sir. 300 lines of code. That is my target. Definitely you will do. If you are today you are 0, if you think like in PowerShell, just to believe me about that. I'm not what we will call here, I'm not insisting to you to join this one, sir. This is the already things working. It's not a first batch, and just observe here. 1 second. Now from my local drive. Yes, sir, this is a one. So interactive training, sir. This is an interactive training. You can take now. It is I think 15th. And there is no session on the what is it, Saturday. So this is the last session, sir. No, just closely observe here. One of the session, and you can take any session like daily. After the live session, you will get recordings. See, sir, this is a way we will discuss slowly. Whatever the code, main code, write in the drive. In the loop, right? Immediately catch. So what is the proper catching? I will find out. For example, when I try to find out unknown server, I mean server is not available. What is the error name? In 32 logical disk, for example, I'm writing. Computer name is server 02. I'm giving. There I'm getting an error. Find out the proper. So this is a one example. Just command line. When we good at single lines, sir, when we good at words, then we can frame beautiful sentences. Same story here also, sir. After every live session, otherwise you can see in the recording here also. Yes. See, if you take any one of them, for example, you can take any one of them, not only that particular. So video and notes and scripts. These three things you will get every day. Sir, even see, for example, if you want to find out a running services, how to find out if you don't know anything? See, I will ask, Hey, alphabet A, please tell me. My sir is asking what is the service related commands. Just I'm doing some searching, sir. Just I'm doing some searching. Only two things are start. Two things are required. In school days, slate and slate pencil is required. No, here only two things are required. Get command and get FNL. Only these two. These two. That's all. I won't say you should good at C language, you should good at other language, you should good at this language. I'm completely going to start from the zero. From the zero. See, like that we will do some. We will get different type of commands. But win that one, which is a suitable one, and how to filter that one based on your requirements. See, if I execute a command, this is output. This is output we are getting. So in these outputs are I want to filter. Now these are all our running services, sir. Daemon simply in the Linux environment. So I want to pick up something like which are status. This is a headers. Like in Excel sheet we have no like that. How to print status equal to running. Otherwise display name property. This is the one line we will call normally object. In this line I want to print all objects which are starting with A. Yes, this type of requirement I have. So how to how to fulfill this one? See, I'm just doing how to print starting with A. Yes, exactly we have getting this one. Here filtration we have in three methods, sir. So filtration, for example, same question in this result. In this result, the lines, if you take any one of the line, something is there under status that is running, stopped is there. How to print only stopped one? Yes, that is my requirement. For that we have advanced filtration is there. Advanced filtration is there. See, simply I will write some code. Yes, really you cannot call this is a code. Parameters only, simple. See, exactly everything is related to stopped one only. See, all the results are related to stop. So this is a very basic component we will start. And 1 second, sir, I will take the course content. So first of all, what is we don't know anything. What is a command? What is a syntax? And how to open the PowerShell console? Yes, sir. It is not. I'm not pointing for only one technology. It is really just to believe me here. Just to believe me for that one. Yes. First, we will discuss what is a command and how to open that one. And filtration, we have a 3 methods. Advanced filtration. See, I mean, if you see any website or any YouTube channel, sir, really this is not a YouTube channel example. See, for example, I want to print all the objects which are starting with the con keyword. See, this is a one line is there now. Display name is there now. These are we will call headers or titles. Where display name is starting with, for example, Apex. See, I can do this one in multiple ways. See, method one. See, method one. Yes, Apex. Perfect. Method two. I'm doing method two. Method two. Property, display name, and like value. Just observe here. That try to understand the example. So how I'm getting, sir, I will explain in the training. So method two, same result, sir. Yes, there is no one way to do one problem. See, and another one is a app star. I'm sorry, app X star. X is missing. See, 3 answers are same. Yes, method 1, method 2, and method 3. But which is a beautiful one? That is a basic method, advanced method, and advanced 2 methods are there. Advanced 2 methods are there. Advanced method 2s are there. So this is a really when we enter inside of this course, I won't directly tell you even I said a word pre-basics. Sir, I'm going to tell you one word pre-basics, even not basics. So completely scratch, no. So those who are feeling we are good at PowerShell, sir. Up to 20 sessions, you will get so many unknown facts. So many unknown facts. Whatever we are seeing on the screen, maybe that is not perfect on output. Why? Because just I will give one example to you. See, whatever we are seeing, for example, one of the patches information, whatever we are seeing on this, for example, this is one of the header, but really the source is a wrong name. I mean, that is a just display purpose name only. If I do any filtration, it won't work, sir. See, but how to find out? See, I'm doing just which is equal to server 01. I want to print that values. I'm sorry. It is empty. Why? Because that source is a wrong one. Then see what is the version name, sir? Version name, sir. I am practicing, I am explaining, I am working. Yes, I can give the answer. But how to do from your end, sir? That is, sir, that is a second level. How to see unknown secrets. That is, we will use get member, another one. See, there is a lot of things. PS computer name is there. Original name is different. How to compare this one? How can we say this is the original one? So this area we will see in the basics, basic level, and operators also there. Operators in the sense conditions, sir. Here no need to do 1 plus 2, 3 plus 5. This is 3 plus 2. This operation purpose we won't learn this one. For example, see, I want to print like a star symbol 40 times, sir. This is my requirement. I want to print like, see, I'm sorry. Please keep on mute. I'm sorry, 1 second, sir. I'm missing the symbol. See how to print this one 40 times. For example, one last, I think I said in the last batch also, I mean last session also, one of I mean previous guy attended for a interview. They asked how to create a OTP by the PowerShell, sir. Real interesting question. How to create OTP? I want to get some OTP, sir. 4-digit OTPs. That is a requirement. Just see. Sir, I didn't ask that program, but see the thinking, based on the thinking, we can create multiple things, sir. See, I will simply create one small program. You don't worry about the code, sir. If you worry about the code, yes, I mean, there is from my end that is useless. I will here for to explain something to you how to do all these activities. See, how to create a OTP. Simple. I will just create the OTP. See, just give me 4 to 5 minutes. Like write random. Come on. It is loading. We are speed. Sir, I am moving little bit speed. Why? Because in demo everything I need to cover, no? Okay. Come on. Okay, then we have to get 5, no? We have to get 5 digits. Fine. Then after I equals to I plus 1, otherwise incremental operator is there. See, is it creating? I think here 5 digits we are getting. 1 second. Just write 4. See, I will increase the speed, decrease the speed. See, now we are getting the OTP, sir. See, 142. Simple program, sir. There is no no need to write like programming knowledge. Simple. What is a required thing? Command. How to get this command? That is the alphabet A and B will give to you. But how to find out that one? Simple program. Even not only this one. Like for example, one WinRM service is the remote management. For example, what is the status of that one? It is one of the important service to work with remote servers. It is running. So sometimes if it is down, I want to get an alert or mail alert. See how I will write the beautiful code to monitoring purpose. See, monitor get service WinRM dot status. Just I will write some logic, sir, equals to running. So just see, just observe that one. Right, I host. Really, this is also not required, sir. Yes, if it is not running, sir, I want to get an alert or mail alert or send mail, something. See, I'm just going to create some alert. There is a, sir, I won't tell you, you should go to other language. Again, I'm going to start from the beginning, sir. Just wait. Just I will complete this one. Okay, then alert, then okay, something. Then after I want to start the service. Then after sleep 2 seconds, start the service. Sir, you don't worry about this coding. I mean, I need to explain what is the depth of the course. See, it is showing another cool. Yes, everything is fine. But one user like me, he did some activity on another process, like he stopped the service or one of the important service. Please. Yes. Sir, we are getting a sound, other alert or mail alert, anything. See, before going to execute this one, observe the service name. What is the status of the service? Winare? It is running, sir. But one user is there like me, is stopped. Stopped. Still it is stopped. Still it is stopped. Still, sir, automatically it is started or not. See, just it will give the alerts or mail alerts. It will trigger based on your domain. It will create the alerts. So monitoring something. And for example, how to find out a drive information, same drive information. So when we go at this blue color or black color screen, then only you are very you can do any magic in the scripting. If you don't know alphabets, nothing to do in the scripting part. For example, I want to get my system e drive information. For example, how to find out the drives information? Yes, just this is I'm using some logic. See, this is a logic I'm using. Logical disk. What is the mistake, sir? Get display my object 1j is extra. See, for example, I want to get only C drive information or E drive. This one only I want to print, sir. See, how do I do the filtration? First, we should go at retrieving the data. See, otherwise I will print only E drive information. How do I am doing the filtration? Here, E drive. Yes, then after FT. See, just observe here. Only E drive information is there. In that only free space information only I want to, sir. I want to get only free space. See how I'm using some things, that some things only I will explain, sir, here. That is the things how to use, how to learn the course here. That is important. See, that is a 28 GB free space is available in my machine. 28 GB free space is available. Yes, if I change another character, see, C drive free space 50 GB is available. But how to write a script for multiple servers? It is the only single server. How to write for multiple servers? And one of those who are working on already in Azure environment, sir, there is a one component is there, DSC. In Azure automation account, there is a one component is there, DSC, desired state configuration. Just I will give you a clarity before going to write the small program. So for example, you have one file is there, sir, on remote server. What is your target? If someone is deleted that file, again automatically it should restore, like Ansible Puppet. It's a DSC is it will configure and it will monitor also. Just observe small code. I will do some activity. Just observe here. I mean, after 10 to 20 minutes, you will get the benefit of that code. For example, I will do one activity, sir. 1 second. Please give me 1 second. Practically, I will show you. I will take one RAR file. Okay. XY something is there. Somewhere we have this RAR file. Okay, here, sir. XY that is there. Sir, I want to unzip this into some drive. Listen carefully, sir. Just to give me 5 minutes. Observe the beauty. See, I'm writing some DSC code, sir. DSC code I'm writing. DSC, desired state configuration. Just to give me some time configuration, anything. And a node name, I mean server name is I'm taking here server 01. And I want to unzip. Unzip means RQ. Come on. X, any name, EX or Y or Z. Path is available in C drive, users, admin, and the desktop. On desktop, what is the name, sir? XYZ. Just give me some time. Just give me some time. And I want to unzip this one in E drive, sir. In E drive, I'm going to go to E drive. I will create one directory, like name equals to Naga or hello world. Hello world. Item type is directory. That's all. Come back. Hello. What's the name? Hello world. Is it in E drive? Fine. Hello world. And yes, still it is asking something, sir. What is that? RQ, spelling mistake.
But hello world,
There is
hello
hell.
world.
Hello.
Oh, one more. No, this is not related to resource required stream. Okay, we are missing somewhere in double quotes or single quotes.
CHAI archive spelling.
It is created by that one only. It is not. I just use a tab only. 1 second. What is a mistake here we are doing? Okay, let me try in my end. Arc is error only. Fine. And what is the required things? Destination is there. Oh, I'm sorry. Depends is there. No, it's a destination. It is asking. I'm sorry. Destination. Fine. Now see, no, there is no error. See, I will create something. But for your information, if you go to the Hello World folder in this location, see, if you see here, there is no files. No files. It is empty. I'm going to unzip this one. I'm going to unzip this one. See, from my, this is like one of the machine. You can consider remote machine in the domain environment. See, I'm just doing one activity. Path equals to S drive, Naga folder, and server name is a server 0. Wait, verbose force. So I'm doing something. I'm going to unzip here. See, there as of now there is no files. It is completely empty now. Now see, we received some files. Up to here, fine, sir. Just copy paste work I did by using one of the component DSC, desired state configuration. Desired state configuration. Oh, fine, sir. Okay, everything is good. Sir, if I am deleting everything from this one, so I'm completely deleting, sir. Alt delete. Says, see, sir, this is a one. After 5 to 10 minutes, come back to here and you will see the magic. Now, please observe this screen. There is no files. How your DSC will monitor your resources? You can verify that. Right, sir? I mean, your conditional statement loops, and we have a one mini project also there. We have a one mini project also there. Instead of my words, I mean, if I start the mini project, it will take 5 to 10 minutes, sir. I mean, it will again. I mean, those who are new, they may get some confusion. So instead of that one, sir, this is a running one. I will show you. You can take any one of morning or evening. The mini project we will discuss somewhere. Not sure about that one. Yes, sir. Project 1 and project 2. So without any programming knowledge, and see, believe me, this one we will write 5 to at least 100 lines of 100 line code, sir. Simply we will write 100 line code. See, we are entered to 154 line number. Just to believe me, here you are completely, there is nothing, no programming knowledge is required here. Simply just logic is important here. Logic is important. Logic is important. So after learning 40 to 45 days, yes, then you will get the ability to do any type of automation. Not only this one, sir, even environment of Azure also. For example, sir, how to create a resource group. First, how to find out your required command line. Please listen one word, sir. If you're good at your technology, for example, Azure, if you're good at portal, yes, then you can create the magic in the PowerShell after learning this one. Sir, for example, you're completely new to like XYZ service, DevOps. Yes, today you are attended for the PowerShell training, you completed your training. Then, sir, you are telling, sir, I am not good at, sir, PowerShell. I mean, I'm not good at DevOps, sir. Sir, when you good at in the GUI mode, then only you can apply the PowerShell, you can create the magics. You can create the magics. So, for example, you are completely zero or you don't know anything XYZ technology. Sir said this is very helpful to Azure DevOps. You are completed PowerShell. Sir, finally you don't say like, sir, I'm not good at, I'm not getting anything from the Azure DevOps. First, you should good at in the GUI mode. Then you can create the magics from here. For example, if I want to create a virtual machine, sir, how to create a virtual machine? Just see that one. I'm just creating something. There is a different type of command list. How to find out this command is a big duty, sir. See, my machine, I'm just viewing hello and location. Just see how it will create minimum requirements. East India, otherwise East Asia, sir. Sorry. Credentials, I think I already have something. Simple, sir. Now in simple code, it is going to create a machine. It is going to create a machine. Simply, that's a by default values. And what is a positional parameter, mandatory parameter. We can also create our own commandlets. We can also create our own commandlets. This is a previous, I think, last running batch, last session only, advanced functions. We can create our own commandlet with your required name, based on your required technology. See, that's why, sir, I'm coming to the, I mean, just follow this one. Now there is a session of 13th, I mean, recent one only. We can create our own commandlet, sir, like this one. Get space, I created my own function. It is nothing but like a commandlet. See how it will work. CD users, no. Just observe this one. Powershell, CD users, and that, right? See, better to test this one. Is it available? Yes. Okay, get space. Exactly. Letter. See. Yes, welcome to server 01 executed by admin. Free space of C drive is 49 point something. So like that, we can create our own custom, I mean, your own commandlets for the automation purpose. And how to work for remote server. For example, I have one remote server is there. 1 second. One second, sir. I'm going to take the how to connect over the public domain, public internet connectivity. Wait. For example, I'm going to connect from here. So I'm taking one to many session and one to one. Enter PS session is there. Yes, we have a different connectivities there. Enter PS session. Just observe it. Enter PS session. Come on. Computer name is this one. Most I will follow the same credentials for a lot of things. That's the sir. Now I am here. What is my computer name? See that one. It's Amazon machine. Amazon machine. See, I am working Amazon machine, sir. You can even you have any doubt, yes, observe that operating system information and disk information, anything. See, I'm sitting in front of my laptop. I'm getting the information about the AWS machine. Not only this one, sir. There is a one command line tool is there. So that is a Chaco tool is there. Chaco install on Windows. Just observe here, we can install multiple. I mean, you can install any software from the command line, sir. Like it is a yum utility in the Linux environment. See, how I'm going to install one package from I'm sitting. This is my laptop only. See, where is the Azure cloud machine? Sorry, AWS machine somewhere. Yes. So as of now, there is no only one. What is that? This only folder is there. Just closely observe here, sir. I'm going to install one command line utility, which will help us to install any package from remotely. Yes, see, sir. I'm going to install. First of all, verify is there any soft version is there. Fine. Chaco install. Just I'm giving to you idea here only, sir. Yes. Now on the screen, as of now, there is no folders. Not only .exe files or even services, anything. Here, just observe here. What is on? Because it is being used by another process. 1 second, sir. I will come to that your doubts, but try to give me some time, please. It is daily 1 hour, sir. Daily 1 hour. I will come to Manoj. I will come to that doubts point. And we know we have one of the beautiful concept is the digital self-signed certificate concept. How to create a digital signature to your scripts. Yes. So this is a content I'm going to cover, sir. I mean, this is a very content only. I mean, for explanation of the content, it will take 5 to 6 hours, sir, for me. So it is a variable scripting point, mini project, looping, how to generate the output into CSV files, Excel sheets, functions. Yes, and this is a area you can apply your technology, sir. Your technology. Yes, you are coming from the Citrix or MS SQL or Azure DevOps, AWS, anything, Windows environment, Excel server. Yes, here this is a key point. Here we will discuss. And then background jobs. For example, sir, if I'm running one command on my machine, if I run a command on my machine, just close your browser here. It will take 1 hour time, sir, to complete this activity. Recursively, I'm executing. It will list out 1 hour time. That time I should sit idle, No. Mini project is middle of the course only, after 20 days only, Anil. See, but how to run the same thing in background, sir? See, start job, just I'm running. See how I'm running the background only. See, simple, that will work background only. You can work, you can do your work. How to run scripts background only? How to run the scripts background only? That concept will come here. And security, how to store the passwords. So WMI, this is one of the biggest concept, generating the reports in a CSV and HTML formats. Biggest concept, this kind of reporting, and how to create alerts, mail alerts. Already I said DSC environment, and we will see Azure related one, how to create even VM, VNet, whatever the name. But we should go at the technology. Sir. Without knowing Azure, it's highly impossible to do by the PowerShell. Yes, especially from last batch, sir. Wait. From last batch, I added, yes, Active Directory and SQL Server and real-time scripts, EAD related, Azure related components I will explain. Even VMware, nearly 80 real-time scripts we are going to use. Yes, sorry, I forgot that one. Is Windows forms also there? 1 second, sir. Graph related one. Somewhere we have that one. It is completely, I will share these documents, sir. By this, you can easily understand. So what are the things we are going to cover? Windows forms, how to link with the GUI mode to here. Yes, somewhere we have Windows forms concept also there. So this is a course content, sir, but two things are required: regular participation and weekends or daily assignments. You have to complete and you need to raise into provided mail ID. The two things are important. Without that one, it is highly impossible to learn any technology, not only this one. Yes, you don't think like fees is 2000, sorry, saying 50 days. Yes, I need to reach so many people. Need to reach, that's why, when you think, okay, 2000, your day attending first, sir, I observed a lot of people, first to 10 days, they will super duper, they will attend every session. And then after, day by day, sir, they will, miss the sessions. In that way, you won't get any subjects, sir. Not only this one. So I will give the assurance. I'm going to start from 0 to scratch to advanced level. Yes, and here for morning batch 20 members and evening batch 20 members only, sir. I won't take all. I will tell you how to do that one. So I will take morning 20 people and morning batch for 20 people and evening also 20 people. Yes, 20 members for the morning batch, 20 members for the evening batch. After your payment, sir, I will add your number to one WhatsApp group. One WhatsApp group, I will add your numbers to morning and evening. But you need to tell, sir, after the payment. So please tell me either completely belongs to morning, completely belongs to evening, completely belongs to morning and evening. Both. You have to define these words, sir. Based on that one, I will plan. Based on your attendance. For example, so many people coming morning, then it is a evening is difficult. Evening is more people. It is a difficult one. Even handling multiple people in the morning session also difficult. So you have to define one word, sir. So this is about the course, sir, and just believe me, I'm going to give a perfect subject, and these recordings also available to you from day 1 onwards with the download option. Day 1 onwards, you can download these videos. And another one is these recordings are available to 6 months. If you are not downloading, that recordings are available to 6 months. For example, in any case, you are registered, even your morning, evening, you are not attended. Okay, for example, due to some issues. Sir, you can attend next batch also. Next batch also you can attend it. Only for next batch only, sir. So the regular timings are 8 a.m. and 7:30 p.m. sir. There is no change in these timings. 8 a.m. morning and evening. And I'm going to start this batch either Thursday or Friday, sir. Why? Because running batch sessions are there. I'm going to take a big session on Sunday for them. Thursday and Friday, I'm going to start the batch. Yes, and please do one thing. So for the registration process, sir, one second. Sir, before going to do this one. So I am sharing to you, these are the 3 methods we have. If you are from India, you can use first two, either GPay, PhonePe, Paytm. After the payment, you can please share your payment screenshot to my WhatsApp number, but don't reveal anything in the session, sir. Yes, and 1 second, sir. This is a one you can directly, you can also complete your payment from here. There is no weekend session, sir, due to, I mean, I planned that one, but it is due to different reasons, I'm unable to take that one. So you can do the payment for this QR code, sir. Then after, please share the payment screenshot to my same number. This is my same WhatsApp number. Yes, this is a demo is over from this point. And yes, and one thing, yes, you are from the 1 second, sir. Even the link also there. You pay link also there. 1 second. This is a drive link. You can download that scanner. I mean, you link is available in the chat box. You can download that QR code. If not, yes, here, sir. Sir, after completion of 20 seats, I will inform in the group. So you can say that one. I mean, you can. I mean, already 5 seats are already 6 seats are completed by the Amit. Amit just did that activity. Okay, 1 second, sir.